Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford F150 front bumper. First, gather all your tools, including a socket set, wrenches, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have a clear, safe area to work in, and consider using a jack stand for stability. It's also crucial to disconnect any electrical components like fog lights or parking sensors before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's get that old bumper off. Begin by carefully removing the grille and any plastic trim pieces that might be covering the bumper's mounting bolts. You'll usually find 4 to 6 main bolts securing the bumper to the truck's frame. Use the correct size socket to loosen and remove these. Once all bolts are out, carefully detach the old bumper, perhaps with a friend's help, and set it aside. With the old bumper removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully lift and position your new bumper onto the truck's frame mounting points. Start by hand threading the main bolts to ensure proper alignment, then use your wrench to tighten them securely. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical components, such as your fog lights and parking sensors, ensuring they are properly seated and functional. For the final steps, reinstall the grille and any other trim pieces you removed at the beginning. Double-check that everything is securely fastened. Then, test all your lights and sensors to confirm they are fully functional before hitting the road. And hey, while you're working hard, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your F150 front bumper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.